So close, yeah, we will chop. No, 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 this way, little bit.
Like
No, no, no.
this, yeah.
Hardly. Please, come on, sir.
It wants to.
Again.
No.
Ah, clap your hands. Yes, yes. That is our traditional way of.
নমস্কার, পাবলিক নিউজ নেক্সট চ্যানেলে আপনাদের জানাই স্বাগতম। সংবাদ পড়ছি আমি রুবি। আমাদের রাজ্যে কোনো অনুষ্ঠানের উদ্বোধন বা কোনো কিছুর ভিত্তিপ্রস্তর স্থাপনের সময় আমরা সচরাচর দেখতে পাই নেতা মন্ত্রীরা ফিতা কেটে অনুষ্ঠানের উদ্বোধন করছেন। কিন্তু উত্তর ত্রিপুরার রাংলং জনজাতি অধ্যুষিত নোয়াগাঁয়ে আয়োজিত একটি অনুষ্ঠানে দেখা গেল ভিন্ন চিত্র। 20 জানুয়ারি নোয়াগাঁয়ে লংভন খুমলান নামের একটি বৃহৎ প্রেক্ষাগৃহের ভিত্তিপ্রস্তর স্থাপনে ফিতা কাটার বদলে দাও দিয়ে বাঁশের টুকরো কেটে ভিত্তিপ্রস্তর স্থাপন করেন ত্রিপুরার সাংসদ কীর্তি দেবী দেববর্মা। এদিন রাংলং জনজাতিদের প্রধান সমাজপতি রিউভেন রাংলং বলেন, তাদের পরম্পরা অনুযায়ী এভাবেই যে কোনো অনুষ্ঠানের শুভারম্ভ করা হয়। এদিনের অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত ছিলেন ত্রিপুরা ট্রাইবেল এরিয়া অটোনমাস ডিস্ট্রিক্ট কাউন্সিলের কার্যকরী সদস্যরা সহ অন্যান্যরা। তো চলুন ফিতা কাটার বদলে দাও দিয়ে বাঁশের টুকরো কেটে প্রেক্ষাগৃহের ভিত্তিপ্রস্তর স্থাপনের কিছু মুহূর্ত দেখে নেই পাবলিক নিউজ নেক্সট চ্যানেলের ক্যামেরায়।
So close, yeah, we will chop. No, 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 this way, little bit. No, no, no.
This, yeah.
Hardly. Please, come on, sir.
It wants to.
Again.
No.
Clap your hands. Yes, yes. That is our traditional way of doing the ceremony. Now, may I request, Madam, please come this side to say something.
Thank you, everybody. It's very special for me because when they first invited me, it was a long time back, and I told them the ribbon.
He's
The-
Namlosi. He's the community head.
Okay. And it's been such a honor for me that I have had the opportunity to come closer to you and opening this, and very soon your house will be ready, and I hope all of you will invite me again because we are family. We all have to work together, we all have to be together, and only when we are together can we go ahead. And I know you all have a lot of love and respect for us like we have for you. So for me, this is just not a program, it's a family program. Thank you so much for calling me and giving me the honor, and we will always be with you. Thank you everybody for giving me this opportunity to be with you. Thank you.
Yeah, please take your seat. Now, I would like to request Kamal sir. We know what.
I want to thanks to Namlosi of Ranglong, Mr. Ruren Ranglong, for inviting me here, and it is great opportunity to see with the Hallam community. I belong from the Hallam community, that's why it is my family. So the family with our Buba information in I think in 2019 in Bubagra House. So this time with the help of 2019, now all we the community of 19 tribe in Tripura, we are closer. Now all people we know, even me also, Namlusi, I never heard the Namlusi. That is belong to our Hallam community here, I don't know. Nokma, Karbari, then the Tripuri, the head is called, I forgot the Tripuri head, another Rai, Kaskau, these things now we all everybody which means everybody participating in their cultural program, in their annual program. So now become New Year closer. And for your kind information, we have already allotted some land also for the each and every Tiprasa community in Khumlung. So again, by the direction of Maharaja, it is my department that we are giving them one community hall. This will be the common what to say that 4 crore something, 4.5 crore something. The budget will be 50-seated community hall will be constructed very soon. Yes, day before yesterday we had foundation the stone also lie by the Maharaja in Rangkhal community in the Gongrai, Tiari Mairang. So this is because of Bubagra. This is because of the royal family, Maharani. Without your family, Tiprasa are meaningless. So you are the strength. So you are son, we are the followers. So now the unity amongst our Tiprasa becoming day by day more united due to this kind of activities by the guidance of Maharaja. So it will be on, it will be bigger. So now today also we have provided some financial assistance not only to Ranglong. We have provided from my department 75 lakhs to the whole community to organize such type of customary awareness and other cultural program to preserve our culture, identity and all. I don't know whether you have any property that during the monarchy time.
we have.
So you have to show our Maharani also. If you have property, swords and other things, still if you have that kind of property. So Maharaja is supposed to bring some coin or sword, I think. It will be presented tonight. So thank you and best of luck whole Ranglong community and especially to our Namlosi. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now may I request Madam and other dignitaries over here just to lift up the stone and put it inside. That is the main foundation stone line. Please, someone can help. Okay. Please, yeah. That is the stone. Please read it. Foundation stone of Longwan Kumlan laid by Pradut Manikya on 20th January 2026. Please, lift it down. Really. Yeah. Thank you so much. We will take care of it that time. So, and that one, PSF also came. We have solved the problem. They have shifted somewhere. But again, in the name of department, the same area of land now they are trying to capture. So this is the development. Yeah, encroaching, they want to snatch away our ADC land in the name of some department or projects. So I just want to put to your knowledge this one to Bubagra also if time permits. Now, also, yeah, without killing time, because today, this time as we all know, there are multiple of programs in this evening. There are 3-4 programs joining together. So we should not kill time. Number one, here, a very small program, this one, and Jacob Franco, and also Mr. Zechong Tang, and other dignitaries also from the apex body of our Ranglong customary law. All the officials are here. Welcome in this evening, and I just would like to inform and apologize to the people on behalf of our Bubagra and also CEM and our MDC. Number one, our political word. Longwan means Ranglong. Khumlan means a big house. So that is what we expect here in this location. We will be constructing. So that's one. And today's inauguration program, we want to do it in a very different way. Instead of cutting ribbon, we will chop off the bamboo out here, and the curtain will be open. So there we will clap our hand. That will be the opening of the stone. Thereafter there is the main stone. You will lift up. We will assist you and put it down. That is the stone.